everybody! It's Parker and I have a very special guest in my video today. It's my sister, Keaton. Keaton, say hi.
Guys.
So, today we're going to be showing you our slime. We only have one because we still have to make more.
Yeah.
In my next video, probably. I don't know. My dad doesn't normally let us make slime because he let us make this in the past, but we just added food coloring to it. It was our clear slime. If you saw that clear slime video, make sure you like and subscribe. And comment down below if you've seen Disney Sky High. Let's get started. So, let's open up our slimes. Mama did that. So, it's very pokey.
Wait.
Mine is red.
Sure.
Mine's like a poop color.
It's like
Yours
a
is red?
Yeah, I'll show
like
you.
it's like a reddish, brownish.
Here,
It
I'll
looks
show her.
brown in the
I'll
camera.
show them.
It looks brownish in the camera, but seriously, it's really red.
I don't know if you should eat this because your tummy's upset.
Yeah, I can see it. It's kind of brownish.
Yeah, like a brownish reddish.
Yeah.
So here it is.
Any of this?
Yeah, like a brownish red.
Yellow, gray.
Stretchy, stretchy, stretchy. Put it in the container.
Want some of this juice? Susie?
Ready it all my mouth.
Cheese?
Yeah, here.
Oh, wait, there. Wait, put it all out.
There's Keaton.
Hey, let's poke it.
There.
What is this? Ah, it's on my nose.
That's our
Slime alert! Slime alert!
Slime alert!
Got
Oh
it.
my god! Slime alert! Oh my goodness! Slime alert!
We got no slime.
Okay.
Okay.